Welcome to the AV Touch Panel Introduction. In this video, you'll learn how to use our newly upgraded classroom technology. Our classrooms are equipped with AV systems featuring the Extron Touch Panel to provide a seamless technology experience for both instructors and students. We are working towards implementing this standardized Extron interface in all event spaces and classrooms on campus. While some rooms may have unique equipment or slight differences, this guide covers the standard classroom design. To begin, simply touch the startup screen. This action will take you to the home screen and power on the monitor, PC, screens, and projectors. On the home screen, select the device you want to present from. There is both an HDMI and a USB connection available for connecting your laptop to the system. The home screen features 7 main options. In some classrooms, you may see additional sources like a microscope or an interactive monitor in select rooms. Next, we'll look at camera controls. Use the camera selection and control options to adjust your preferred camera settings. Once you are finished, tap the Exit button in the top right corner to return to the home screen. To adjust microphone volumes, select the microphone icon on the home screen. Each microphone is labeled both on the screen and on the physical device. Pressing a mic button mutes or unmutes it, including ceiling mics. If there are multiple pages of microphones, use the Next Page button to view more. If a second page of microphones appears, it will look similar to the first. You can navigate between pages using Previous Page or Exit to return to the home screen. If the projectors are off after startup, use the projector power feature to turn them on. You will also find options for advanced routing. The Advanced Routing page allows you to route video sources to different displays. When shutting down, you will see 2 options. You have a minute to make your selection, or the system will automatically turn off. Always remember to log out of the computer and power off the AV system for security. When the system is fully powered off, it will return to the startup screen for the next user. Thank you for watching.